Hello guys, today I will show you how to make balsamic dressing. This is ingredient for make balsamic dressing. Now I prepare and follow by recipe. They are olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper powder. I have a medium bowl and I put pepper powder, I add some salt, I add some mustard, I add some balsamic vinaigrette, and I mix all ingredients. Mix until ingredient is well, and I put some olive oil and mix together. Whisk it around 2 minutes more. Now all ingredient is combined. I transfer it to container. It's my good mise en place for keep it long day. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it and try to make it for your family. Thank you. See you next video.